In the bright, sunny garden, Papa kneels, battling a garden hose. Adam sprints across the lawn towards Papa. Adam's voice breaks the silence. Need help, Papa? Yes, my little hero. Can you hold the hose steady for me? Adam struggles with the hose, water spraying wildly as he attempts to control the chaotic burst. Amidst the chaos, laughter erupts as both are drenched, embracing the unexpected shower. With a surge of power, Adam shouts, "Super splash attack!" In the heart of the kitchen, Mama stands at the stove, her gentle hum filling the air as she flips pancakes with practiced ease. Adam bursts into the kitchen. "Good morning, Mama. Today I'm your superhero. What can I help with?" With a loving tone, Mama asks, "Can you set the table, Adam?" Adam meticulously arranges plates, forks, and napkins on the table, mirroring Mama's careful instruction. Adam stands tall. Helper hero Adam. Mission complete. Adam stands in his messy room, toys scattered around, and takes a deep breath. Adam declares with conviction, "Every superhero cleans up after himself." Adam folds his blanket with precision. He gathers his toys. Adam lines up the toys neatly. Mama peeks into the room, a flicker of surprise crossing her face. The room pulses with an indescribable aura. "Wow, this room is amazing." Adam stands tall, proclaiming with unwavering confidence, "Because I'm Adam the helper hero." Mama's hands sort clothes with practiced ease, the scent of detergent filling the air. Mama asks gently, "Do you want to help me fold the clothes?" Adam breaks the silence, his voice firm. "Let's do it!" Adam and Mama stand together, enveloped by the comforting scent of freshly laundered clothes. They fold clothes, turning the chore into a playful game. In the quiet of the evening, Mama and Papa sit alongside Adam. "You've helped us so much today, and you made it fun too." In the quiet space, Adam stands, his gentle smile radiating warmth. That's what heroes do, they help with love. The house glows warmly, a beacon of peace in the night. Adam stands out, a contented smile on his face. He stands ready for more heroic helping tomorrow.